Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here. Summers are up and we are all set for a beach vacation. And yes, today in this video, I have shown a very simple beach makeup look. So keep watching the video, guys. So first of all, I will be starting with the CTM, as it's really important to do your cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And I'm using this cleanser from Ayur Herbal. Then I'll be doing the toning part, and I'm using this toner from Jovel's. Then I'm using the moisturizer, and this moisturizer is from Plum. It's 24 hours hydrating moisturizer. It's super light on your skin. Now I'll be starting with the primer. I'm using this primer from Color Bar just to avoid the creasing. Then I'll be using the corrector from the brand called My Glam. It's the orange corrector. First I'll be correcting my uneven skin tone. I have pigmentations on my face and it can also hide the dark circles too. So I will be using this corrector. Now we will be quickly blending this up with the help of blender, and it's from the brand called Milani. Now I'll be concealing my face, and I'm using this concealer from My Glam again, and I'll be blending this with PAC concealer brush. Now the setting powder from My Glam. Now I'm using this foundation from Eric. It's liquid foundation. Setting powder from My Glam, and I will be blending this up with the brush from PAC. Now I'll be doing my eyeshadow part. I'm using this palette from Huda Beauty by Naughty. I'll be using a single shade just to cover up my eyelid. Now I'm using this waterproof mascara from the brand called Itex Dazzler. It's super thick and it's long lasting also. Now the eyebrow palette, I will be just covering the I will be just filling the gaps, that's it. I won't be overdoing it because I really don't like to do it. If you have a good eyebrows, there is no need to do. And this eyebrow palette is from the brand called Wet n Wild. Now yes, it's all about highlighting, and I'm using this highlighter from the brand called Sugar, just to give the natural shine to your cheeks, your nose, your cupid's bow, the brow bone. Now my favorite blush from the brand called Calabar, to give a natural blush to your face. Now I'm using this lipstick from the brand called Maybelline. First I'll be doing the outer lining. Now I'm using this lipstick from the brand called Maybelline, a nude shade one. It's my favorite. Although I don't like the nude shades, but still, I love this shade from Maybelline. Now, last but not the least, setting spray from the brand Color Bar. And it's done. And yes, this is the lovely mist from the brand called Nika. So guys, you're all set to rock on beach. And this is how the look turned out to be. Soft, neutral, nude shade. A kind of no makeup look. A kind of, and I'm so in love with this look. Do let me know in my comment box. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.